Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's practical, versatile, and guaranteed to make life a little easier. Whether you're looking to enhance your hair routine, care for your plants, or even give your pets a refreshing mist, the BeautifyBeauties Spray Bottle is a must-have. Let's get into it. The BeautifyBeauties Spray Bottle is a game changer for those who need a reliable, continuous mist for all kinds of uses. With a sleek 10.1-ounce design, it offers a 360-degree misting function, which means you can spray in any direction. No need to worry about the angle. It releases a fine, consistent mist with just a gentle squeeze, making it perfect for everything from hairstyling to plant care and even cleaning. This bottle doesn't require pressurized containers, making it a more sustainable option than other sprayers on the market. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I found this bottle incredibly easy to use right out of the box. Whether I was spritzing my hair for styling or watering my indoor plants, the mist was always consistent. The pre-compression technology ensures that the mist lasts for about 1.2 seconds with each squeeze, dispensing a fixed amount of 1.25 cc each time. It doesn't spit or drip, delivering a fine mist that's perfect for any application. I even tested it with some essential oils, and the sprayer worked flawlessly, releasing just the right amount of scent without being overpowering. Pros? Well, there are plenty. The most obvious is the consistency of the mist. Unlike other spray bottles where you might have to squeeze multiple times to get an even spray, this one works perfectly with a single squeeze. The 360-degree spray function is a huge plus, as it makes it easy to use from any angle. Plus, the fact that it's eco-friendly, requiring no pressurized gas, is a significant win in terms of sustainability. As for cons, the only downside I encountered was the plastic construction. While it's durable and lightweight, some may prefer a more premium feel. But given the price and how well it functions, this is a minor concern. The bottle's size might also be too large for those looking for something more compact for carrying in a purse or bag. Now, is it worth the money? Absolutely. For the price, you get a spray bottle that performs like an expensive salon tool, making it a great deal. Plus, you're not just limited to one application. It's perfect for hair, plants, pets, cleaning, and even just a refreshing mist on a hot day. It's versatile, functional, and reliable, making it well worth the investment. When comparing this to similar products, it definitely stands out in terms of functionality. Many misting bottles on the market require multiple presses or don't have the consistent spray this one offers. While there are cheaper alternatives, the overall quality and design of this spray bottle set it apart. If you're looking for something that works well for a variety of needs, this is a top contender. In terms of build quality, this bottle is solid for its purpose. It's made from a sturdy plastic that feels reliable without being too heavy. While it's not premium metal or glass, it's tough enough for everyday use. I haven't experienced any leaks, and the misting system continues to perform well even after repeated use. As for customer support, I didn't need to interact with the company directly, but based on their reputation, they seem responsive and dedicated to customer satisfaction. To wrap it up, the BeautifyBeauties Spray Bottle is an excellent all-in-one tool that offers great value for its price. It delivers a fine, continuous mist for hair, plants, pets, and more, making it a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable, eco-friendly spray bottle. If you're in the market for something versatile and functional, this should be at the top of your list. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. If you've already tried this spray bottle, leave a comment below and let me know your experience. You can also find the link to grab this must-have product in the comments box. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, stay Beautyistic.